Hey friends, and welcome to a new episode. Ever wondered how to succeed in the financial world? I bet you have. The internet is swamped with theories and methods. It's enough to make your head spin. So, I've done some digging, listened to experienced folks, and picked out a few videos that could really help. Like this one, which dives into trading strategies. Let's check it out.
What is my strategy? I truly just trade with trend lines and some support and resistance. I always use trend lines. I'm gonna come in with 1 touch point, 2 touch points here. And this is platinum. This is a great example. We've got 1, 2, 3, almost 4 touch points here on this upward trend line. I would get into this position only because the trend line was broken. So we'll just say, for example purposes, we've got 1, 2, 3 touch points on this downward trend line, and then boom, we've got a break of a trend. I would take a long position here. Now we are following up. We're going up, 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 up. I would stay in this position for as long as the trend is happening. And my indication for when it is no longer trending in that direction is when price breaks that trend. Did I know January 2nd was going to be the day that platinum no longer trended up? I don't know. So I will close my position and take my profit when the price of platinum is no longer trending along the current trend that I'm in. That is essentially my strategy in a nutshell. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.
Wow, with a strategy like that, you could become a real fortune teller. I especially love the part about the nutshell. I've got loads of those at home. But before you dive into trading, you need some startup capital, right? Well, I found a video on how to boost your funds. Grab your notebooks.
You can get to $1 million working for somebody else, working really hard on the same things. But if you want to go to that $10 million mark, you got to do something different.
What do you need to do differently?
Typically, I think you have to get some skin in the game. This is when you have to start earning not just with your time and brain, but also with your money. So you've got to invest in something. You've got to understand deal structuring. You've got to get a little equity in something. You've got to become an owner in some way, shape, or form. It could be an owner inside of a business, but you've got to get some sort of upside potential. And I think that is where the public school system kind of stops teaching us.
Yeah, they don't teach it at all.
No.
Exactly. They didn't teach this in my school either, but they should have. No worries though, you've got me. Don't miss new episodes to always stay a step ahead in the profit race. But are knowledge and skills really that crucial for trading? Many say it's more about luck. Well, let's hear what the experts have to say on this topic.
Do you believe that traders have a fair chance if they have the right education?
Okay, it's a good question. Look, if you learn the game and you understand how trading works, and you become a successful trader, you learn technical analysis, you learn price action, you learn about risk management, which means stop orders. The stock market gives you this amazing tool that can protect your downside risk. What does that mean? That means if I put 100 shares to buy at 50, I can put in what's called a stop order at 49.5, so that if the trade goes against me, I'm not going to lose. I can identify how much I'm willing to lose, and so think about it. I'm willing to lose $50 to make $200 every day of the week, but I'm not willing to risk 200 to make 50, because if I have 1 losing trades, I need 4 winners to get even. So the rules of the game need to be identified, need to be learned by everybody. When somebody is a successful trader, they're not worrying about what the institutions are doing.
Proper analysis and knowing how to use the right tools are what distinguish a real expert. It's a pity when I started, there wasn't so much wisdom on the internet. I had to run quite a few laps before I learned anything valuable. Truly, what a fantastic time to learn trading. Don't miss the insights we share here to enhance your chances of success. See you in the next episode, friends. Hit like, share this video with your buddies, and remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one.